In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your name on Facebook using a browser on your desktop, whether you're on a PC, MacBook, or Chromebook. If you want to update your first name, middle name, last name, or all three, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're on the home page, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. After the Settings page loads, look at the left-hand menu and click on See More in Accounts Center. This will take you to the Meta Accounts Center. Inside the Accounts Center, find the Profiles section and select the Facebook profile you want to edit. Then, click on Name. Now you can edit your first name, middle name, or last name however you like. For example, you can correct a typo or update your name completely. Keep in mind that Facebook has some restrictions. You won't be able to change your name again for 60 days after making a change, and certain formats, like unusual, capitalization, symbols, or punctuation, may not be accepted. Once you've made your changes, click on Review Change. You'll then be able to choose how your name will appear on your profile. After that, click Done to confirm. And just like that, your name will be updated on Facebook. That's all there is to it. Quick and easy. If this guide helped you out, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.